Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna take you on a secret journey of my recipe, the vegan tortilla de patatas bravas. Lots of my friends were requesting it because they've been on plenty house parties since 10 years, fine dining dinners. It's always a hit. So today I'm gonna share with you what's inside. I am Anya from Agarovsky Lifestyle blog, where I share personal life hacks, DIYs, reviews and recipes, anything which I would love to share with my personal friends. So join me, get inspired and create something new, something that is you. First of all, thank you very much, Toby and Aish, for being behind the camera today. So,
you're welcome.
The secret ingredient are cashews. I really say it's secret because I had 20 friends minimum who tried the vegan tortilla de patatas bravas. No one was able to guess that it's made out of cashews, and it's just cashews and plant-based milk. You can use oat milk or soy milk. None of the others I have tried, so that's up to you. Then we need a little bit of olive oil because for the Spanish Tortilla de patatas bravas we're gonna fry some onions. We actually let them caramelize a little, boil some potatoes. For the color of the dough, curcuma, salt for the taste, that's it. Okay, we're gonna take about 4 to 5 small red onions. So I've cut already the onions, just little pieces, however you prefer. Put them on the pan, fry them slowly, and let them caramelize. Oh, and let them caramelize. Let them caramelize. Let them caramelize. So give a good amount of olive oil. Let the pan heat up first. Yes, let's go for it. The key to caramelizing onions is a little patience. So let it sit for now here. We don't need to add anything at this point. Close it up, and I'm gonna do it on medium, a little medium-high heat. Now we're gonna boil the water here. I already cut the potatoes to save some time while boiling them and to have already the size we want for the tortilla. This is around the size. You can cut them slightly smaller, but not much more. The water should be boiling ready. Yes, wonderful. Now let's make sure that I don't get... Woo! As you see, I'm not a professional chef, but it tastes. Did you hear my husband smiling, laughing in the background to the joke that I'm not a chef?
He's gonna sleep on the couch.
He's gonna sleep on the couch, and I'm gonna drink a sip of beer for them. Should we check on the onions? Come, let's have a look. You see, with onions it needs patience, not to fry them too high heat. Let them glaze a little bit like this, and they're gonna release the sugar. So let them fry a little longer. Okay, now time to make some space. And time to make the dough. We're gonna do the dough twice in 2 rounds because we need the base cover and then cover the tortilla and potatoes, and also because I don't have a proper mixer which has big volume. This is 1 cup. So let's take 1 cup, 2 cups, reduce here a little bit the potatoes. Now we're gonna take some plant milk. This is the part I'm doing always with the feeling because it has to be like a thick dough. So let's start with 1/3 of a cup of plant-based milk. Do you see it? How much the proportion is? That should be good. And if it's too less, we can always add a little bit of milk. The taste, of course, a pinch of salt. And now comes the magic because curcuma is going to give it a golden color. So you can give half of a tablespoon. Let the blender do its work and make it a paste. Do you see this creamy? It's thicker than yogurt. It's like a real nice ice cream paste, I would say. We need a little bit of olive oil to put in your form. Ooh, that was a little much. You could even experiment here. You could even add breadcrumbs. That'd be nice. Good. Now comes the base layer. So you basically take this beautiful goldish paste and try to spread it out. Now comes the most fun part. You're gonna take the caramelized onions and spread them evenly. And they're gonna give this sweet caramelized taste. And you know what's best with caramel? It's salt. So we're gonna add now some good amount of salt. You can use just normal salt you have at home, but I like to a little bit thicker salt, coarse salt, because it gives a little bit of this surprise on the tongue. And we're gonna take the potatoes. And now comes the closing. We take this dough and cover it and make it a blanket. And when you get hungry, you just eat a potato. All getting hungry.
And thirsty.
And thirsty. Now this is a very simple version, and I can imagine you can be super creative, add garlic, other spices. Once you've tried out the simple version of it, you can really make it something that is you. I'll be looking forward to your comments how you're gonna spice it up to your own taste. Delicious. Cameraman? What do you say?
Very good.
Okay. You know what? I just had an idea. How about we upgrade the cake and decorate it a little bit and add some flowers? This is absolutely not necessary, but I think could be cool. Let's take these as a base and cut a little bit of red paprika and make some flowers out of it. And it kind of works. It gives some extra pop and color. Voila, a lot of hard work done, ready to put it in the oven for about 40 to 45 minutes.
What if I get hungry earlier?
If you get hungry earlier, you drink beer. Wonderful. Today we're gonna serve this beautiful vegan tortilla patatas bravas with some rucola salad and air-fried broccoli. Let's try it. Now I'm gonna do something very unpolite. I'm gonna try it before my guests. Okay, cameraman, do you want to get a bite?
Yes. Delicious.
That's what I was hoping for. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Just cut it. This is good. I forgot to share. If you really want to have more of the chase on the sulfide egg side, add black salt, kala namak from India.